Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a web tool called Quizziz and I'm going to show you how it works. First of all, get to the website Quizizz.com in your browser. You can see already created quizzes there, so you can find a quiz from there and you can see teachers resource and all. When you click on Quizizz.com, this is how it should look like. It's nice because you don't have to create an account to use it. But you want to create, you can create an account, then you can save your quizzes and their outputs. Once you click on Get Started, this is what's going to come up and you can search for quizzes and all. I'm gonna create a quiz for my personal use, so I'm selecting that. Once you log into this, what we'll teach today, that is going to come up. Then you can see all mathematics feature quizzes there. You can directly use from there. Just share the link and use it. But I'm going to create my quiz, so click on create button and creating a quiz. I'm going to give a name for the quiz. For the time being, I'm giving whole number as the name of the title of the quiz, and the subject is mathematics, so I'm selecting it and click on the next button. Here you can see two options. You can add questions from the Quizizz library or you can write your own questions. I'm going to write my own question and you can choose your question option. I selected multiple choice question and I'm adding my question number 1, which is the smallest whole number. And you can see 4 options are there for giving answer feedback. So I'm giving 4 options and I have to give the answer feedback also. And here is the preview of the question and answer. You can see how it will be visible in the student's interface. Question will be in the top and answer is in each cards. Each answer will be there. When you click on the answer, you will get the points. Okay, I gave 4 options and I have to give the answer feedback also. I'm selecting the particular answer in the left side of the question. Then that will be the answer feedback. That is the correct answer. You can give the pictures also, insert pictures also, and save it after completing the question part. If you want to give more questions, you can add new questions also, and you can select the question format, if it is checkbox or filling the blanks, whatever. I'm selecting one more MCQ questions, and my second question is smallest natural number. I'm typing the question there and giving the answers options, and you can see in mobile screen that students interface. This will be the format of preview of the question. Then I'm giving the answer feedback, then save it. Once you click on the save button, this is what's going to come up. You can scroll down and up to see all the questions like this, and you can add images to the questions. You can even change your question title also. Drag out or drop the images from your device. I'm going to select one image from my computer and I'm selecting it. You can select language also, grade option also there. You can select grade also. I'm selecting 5th grade. 5th to 6th also possible, 5th to 9, 5th to 10, whatever it is. I'm selecting 5th only, so 5th to 5th. And the next option is the visibility. Public, visible to everyone, and the private, only those who know the link only can see the questions. Now I made it public and save it. Now the question is ready, the teacher's part is ready. Then share the URL. You can select the link, copy the link and paste it to your WhatsApp group or your Google Classroom, whatever. Then when students click on the link that you have shared, it will be visible like this. Once teacher click on Get Started, this is what's going to come up. Once you submit your answers, you can see some memes and stickers in each questions. Students can see the scores at the end of the game. Scoreboard also there, and how many answers are wrong, how many answers are right. They can see all the points and all. Teachers can take the printout of the scoreboards of the players also. That is the best part of this. Thank you for watching.